maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagmamahal na ibinibigay niyo po sa KFLM. Ako po ay naniniwala na si FLM ay instrumento ng ating Panginoon para sagipin yung ating bayang nabibingit sa kamatayan noong panahon ng epidemya. Hinahangaan ko siya sapagkat siya lamang yung tao na hindi natakot maubos ang kanyang kayamanan, hindi natakot mawala ang kanyang karangalan, hindi natakot mawala ang kanyang kalayaan, hindi natakot mawala ang lahat ng kung anong meron siya para lang iparamdam sa taong bayan na nandyan meron tao na magmamahal sa inyo sa kabila, sa gitna ng kagipitan. In every generation, I do believe there will always be a hero to rise. Nagkataon lang na sa kanya tumubo yun. During the most worst worldwide epidemic, I witnessed the country on the brink of Holocaust. I witnessed the very first time for almost decades that the most traffic highway in the world, one of the most heaviest traffic highway in the world, was like a ghost town. The Calle 54, or the so-called Highway 54, or Epifanio de los Santos Highway. As in, naganap yan nung March 15, 2020. Minsan lang nakabanata na yung Epifanio de los Santos parang ghost town. I admire the boy, I admire FLM, not just only for being generous to his countrymen, but what most I admire him for being no fear. Lumabas siya, sinagupa niya yung COVID, wala siyang pakialam, para lang maabot yung ating mga kababayan na nag-aagaw buhay ng dahil sa kagutuman. He simply laid down all hopes. He simply laid down all dreams, all love and life. What admire him the most is when he overcome those formidable challenges and extreme obstacles just to help his fellow men. And the day that he lost his very own family, in exchange of saving the lives of our people who are dying from hunger and suffering. I pray to God with His divine providence and infinite wisdom to grant FLM guidance, strengthen both His spirit, heart, and His hand, so he may overcome this dark event of his life. I pray to all of you. May the good Lord God bless you always, so you continue to light up the boy that almost his way back home. He needs your love today. He doesn't need anything, but your love is enough. Thankful to those mothers who love him. Thankful to Edith Cargar, Merlinda Bersheng, Dakel Gabina, Mami Melita, and of course, Mami Sally. Those mothers who are give their own sweat, blood, and tears in saving a boy that almost lost his way home. A prayer to all of you. As what FLM said, if he has only 2 days to live, and if we ask him what he do, he simply said, he will spend the first day with God and the last day with you. I asked FLM why. He said, on the first day, if I have 2 days to live, I will ask God to take away all my countrymen's fear, because it would only break his heart to see his people in tears. And on the second day, he will spend all the 24 hours with you, tickle you, love you, guide you, educate you. That before he left this world, you knew FLM loves you. You know what? If you are happy upstairs and you compliment each other, wherever he is, whenever he has, I'm sure there is a smile on his face, seeing you happy. That's a simple message that delivered by me is belong to FLM. Long live to all of you. Stay happy. Keep the trust and faith to God that there shall be an FLM who are willing to lay down his life to save all his countrymen.